Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for a Dollar Tree DIY. So, if you saw these color your own ornaments, there's 8 of them. Some craft sticks, you may have some laying around already, and then some Scrabble tiles. I always go to like my local Goodwill or garage sale, and I'm always on the lookout for Scrabble tiles. So we are going to make a cute ornament for last minute gifts. This one is going to be for Tucker. And so I found all the letters, and as you can tell, they are all different from different boards. These two match, these two match, those two match. I just keep them in a jar and pick out what I need. So I've got lots of names that I'm going to be doing today, but we're going to make one so I could show you. So I've got this. It also comes with its own ribbon. You can use that ribbon if you'd like, or you could use a different type of ribbon. I just happen to be using this nylon ribbon just to give it a little bit of festive. And let's go ahead and get started. So I've got the name all done, and this one happens to be long, so the craft stick is going to fit pretty closely. And we're just going to flip that over. And I also have my silicone mat that I got from Stampin' Up, and I will show you how I use that. We are going to fit that on a flat surface there. Now, this is just a little big. I could leave it because it has like these great little edges, but I am going to cut it just a bit. So I grab a pair of my big scissors here, and we're just going to cut that right off. And now this should fit a little bit better there. And it does. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to get my hot glue. And we're going to just put a nice, oh, of course it's not. Oh, there we go. And you want to make sure you put enough because it has to go quick, and you don't want it to dry. So I am putting enough on here. And then you take your popsicle stick and you're going to put it right on there. And press it down and make sure all of that gets nice and straight. And now, once it does dry, you've got the name there. So you could also do it with some E6000 and make it really nice and tight. And I will end up doing that on these, but just for show purposes. We're going to do that. Now, I don't care for the color of that. So we're going to see the difference in the colors. So we're going to darken that up a little bit. Now, I'm going to use my Stampin' Up! Crumb Cake. And I'm going to use my blender brush. And I'm literally just going to stick that in there. And we're going to add some color to this. And it's not a lot. You could use any of the colors if you wanted a red ornament or a green ornament or a blue snowflake perhaps. You just do that. Just pick a different color. Now you could be saying, I don't see a difference. But hold on, you will. And this gives it a really like, not farmhousey, but country look. And you don't have to you can hold the middle because the stuff is going to go across the middle. So there we go. And you're like, yeah, I don't see a big difference. But let me show you when we just put one that we didn't do that to. Look at the difference. You can definitely see that. So definitely gives it a little bit more country. So I'm going to have this as the hanger. So I want that to be straight up. Now I'm going to put my silicone mat there because nothing sticks to the silicone mat. Any of the glues don't. So I'm going to put that there. We're going to get this guy. And we are going to put some more hot glue on this stick. And don't worry about it being a lot of glue. You really want this to stick there. And this little piece can come off. That was a... And then you're just going to stick that right on there. We're going to take a piece of our ribbon. This ribbon was on the clearance rack. It may still be there. Great buy for that whole spool, especially during Christmas. If you need any of the supplies, you can get them at either Dollar Tree or on my Stampin' Up! Site, depending on what you need. And I will link both of those down below in the description for you. And look at that. Now you could add some gems on here if you'd like, but this is it. And we're going to have all of our little family names. This one's mine. That one's a little baby Tucker. He just turned 2. And then I've got, oh, if you saw, I have so many tiles up here over to the left. We're going to make at least, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 more of these. So how cute. Let me know if you like them. Please give me a big thumbs up if you do. And I will talk to you later. Bye.